Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Physics Ka Funda. Today we'll discuss for class 10 refraction in spherical lens. Okay. So before that, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Please do like, share my video, like my video. Okay. Okay. So let's start today's video. Okay. So today we'll start with spherical lens. So before starting refraction in spherical lens, we have to understand what is a lens. Okay, there are like mirrors. Lenses are also have two types. Okay, two types of lens we have. Before that, we have to understand what is lens. Okay, how lenses are produced. Okay, so let's start. What is a lens? So in case you have to understand what is lens, you have to understand that lens, to make a lens, it is made by glass. First of all, lenses are made by glass, and secondly, you see, like mirrors are having two surface. This is one surface, this is another one. These lens are also having two surface, but the thing is, it has made with two spheres. This is one sphere, suppose. As it is spherical lens, so we should use a sphere. This is suppose one sphere, another sphere we have to use. Okay, another sphere we have to use. So you see, we have to take some part of the sphere, like mirror. There also in lens also we have to take some part. Now, how can we take? You see, what we can take by overlapping this sphere. It's not like sphere. It's okay. You should understand that this is a sphere. Okay. This is like a sphere, okay? This is a sphere. There are two spheres are there. So I have overlapped these two spheres. So what I can do, if I take this part, and I fill all this inside thing with glass, then this shape will give you one lens. Clear? This is a kind of lens, and this kind is called convex lens. Convex, like convex mirror, this is also convex lens. Why the name is convex? In case of mirror, it was what? The reflecting surface was what? Bending outward. Here you see in these two parts, this side also and this side also, this surface also and this surface also, both the surfaces are bending outward. That's why this lens is called convex lens. Done? So in convex lens, you see, before roughing it up, what we can do, you see, in convex lens we can say that this is the glass. The example I am just trying to make you understood. So you see, here also there are two circles are there, two spheres are there. In these two spheres, we are having two centers. Done? Two centers are there. If I join these two centers, how I will get? I will get like this. This is one center, this is one center. Like in mirror also it was having two center. Here also in mirror it was having only one center, and in this case we are having two. Why? Because we are using two sphere. So this center, can I say this is center 1, this is center 2. Clear? Here you see, we have to take, like in case of mirror it was pole, but in this case there is no pole. We have to say that the middle part, the middle point is called, the center point is called, center point of what? The lens is called the optical center. It is written by O, like pole was written by P, optical center is written by O. Clear? This is center 1, why? This is the first sphere, this is second sphere. So पहला sphere का center क्या है? Center 1, दूसरा sphere का center 2. Clear? Now what we got? Focus. Focal length कितना था? Focus क्या था? पोल और सेंटर के बीच का जो पॉइंट था वही पोल था. अभी यहाँ पे वही क्या था? फोकस था. Now here you see, there is no pole, but we have a middle point. That is, we have a central point. That is called optical center. Optical center and center of curvature के बीच में जो point होगा ना, that point is called focus. Now you see, as there are having two spheres, इस side पे भी तो एक focus होगा ना. That's why in case of lens we are having two focus. One is f1, the other one is f2. And you remember one thing, in case of lens, we do not use center of curvature. We use, as this is f1, we can say this is 2f1. As this is f2, we can say this is 2f2. Clear? So we are writing c1 by 2f1 and c2 by 2f2. This is how we have to write. Now this axis was called principal axis in case of what? In case of mirror, but in this case it is called optical axis. Optical axis. It was principal axis, now it is optical axis. Clear? So this is called convex. And in case of concave, what we will get, you see, in case of concave also we will use two sphere. This is one sphere, this is another sphere, but we are not overlapping. You see, am I overlapping this? No, I am not overlapping. So we should not overlap in case of concave. Now we are taking this part. If I take this part and I rough it up, if I take this part, so and if I fill up all this thing with glass, what we will get? We will get what? We will get a lens. This lens is called concave lens. Here also one center is there. ये sphere का एक center यहाँ होगा, ये sphere का एक center यहाँ होगा. We have to join this, and this will get what? C1. This is C2. Again we will get F1 here. This is O, F2 here. So ये F2 होगा तो ये क्या होगा? 2F2 होगा. ये क्या होगा? 2F1 होगा. Clear? So this is all about concave and convex lens. Clear? So these two lenses, this is sometimes called double concave lens also. Why double concave? Why it is called concave? Because इसका जो surface होगा ना, दोनों surface देखो, surface क्या है? Bending inward है. If it is bending inward, we say it concave. And here you see both the surface S1 and S2, both surfaces are what? Bending inward. That's why we say that this is a double concave lens. Sometimes it is called double concave, or in general it is called concave lens. Clear? In case of convex also we are having double convex lens. That lens, convex lens, is sometimes called double convex lens. Why? Because both the surfaces are bending outward. Clear? So this is all about lens. Now we will understand, you see, as this is made up of glass, we can say that refraction will occur. Okay? उस lens के, suppose we are having some lens here. What lens it is? Convex. Both the surfaces are bending outward. This is convex. अभी एक ray यहाँ से आ रहा है. If a light is coming, light ray is coming, so it will find what? ये air है ना? Air के बीच में से आ रहा है. अभी ये point अगर मिल जाएगा, तो यहाँ पे क्या है? Glass है ना? So medium का change हो गया. If I told in the previous video, if a medium is changed, what we can do? What we can say? We can say that the ray will refract. तो वो रिफ्रैक्शन हमें मालूम करना है कैसे होता है और इमेज फॉर्मेशन कैसे होता है इन केस ऑफ spherical lens. Okay, we have to understand how images are formed. Okay, understood? Okay, so you see refraction in spherical lens. Understood spherical lens? And that axis is called optical axis. Center is called optical center. Okay. Now you see we have some rules. Okay, what rules are there? You see, you need to understand. The rules are, you see, first of all, suppose for concave, for convex, I'm going to explain. Suppose for convex lens, this is a convex lens. Okay, this has an optical axis. This is optical center, and you remember one thing: we have to draw one dotted line like this. Okay, we will draw one dotted line like this. This is optical center. This is suppose focus 1, focus 2. This is 2 focus 2. This is f1. This is 2f1. Clear? There are some rules are there. I am going to explain the rules. If any ray is coming parallel to the principal axis, coming parallel to the principal axis, it will pass through focus. Now, it's very important to understand through which focus it will pass. ये ऐसे आ जाएगा क्या? No, it will not come. Suppose this is not a mirror. This is not a mirror. अगर mirror होता तो ये come back करता. It will come back. As this is not a mirror, this is what? This is a lens. As this is a lens, this is not a mirror. उसका जो back side है, back side पे कोई color code नहीं दिया हुआ है. Back side पे भी ये क्या है? Glassy है. So if there is glass there, in this side also it is glass. तो ये अगर ऐसा आएगा तो इट विल नॉट कम बैक, इट विल नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर द रे टू कम बैक. ओके, to come back, what it will do, it will pass through it will refract and it will pass through which focus, f2. Clear? Why it will passing through, why it will pass through f2? Because it will refract, it will not reflect. Okay, reflect होता तो पहले जहां से गया था वही आ जाता, लेकिन ये क्या हुआ, रिफ्रैक्ट होगा, रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं होगा. तो it will pass through which focus, f2. Clear? It will pass through, sorry, suppose this is f2. Okay, this is f2. Suppose this is f2. So it will pass through f2. This is 2f2. Again, ये भी क्या होगा, पैरेलल है ना. This is parallel. Parallel to what axis? Optical axis. This is optical axis. Optical axis. Optical axis के अगर पैरेलल होगा तो f2 के थ्रू से जाएगा. ये भी पैरेलल है तो ये कहां से जाएगा, f2 के थ्रू से जाएगा. You have to give direction. Clear? Understood? So parallel ray कहां से आते हैं? From infinity. From infinity. Clear? If you have placed your object at infinity, infinite distance, तो क्या होगा, वहां से parallel line आएगा, ऐसे parallel line आएगा. And this parallel lines, if I draw another line here, it will pass through this focus. Clear? If I draw another line here, this is also parallel to the principal axis. कहां से pass करेगा, focus के बीच में से. तो what I can say, if any object is placed at infinite distance, उसका इमेज कहां फॉर्म करेगा, f2 पे. वेरी केयरफुली लिसन. इट विल फॉर्म वेयर, इन टुवर्ड्स द राइट. ओके, राइट साइड. एंड इट इज फॉर्मिंग वेयर, एट f2. इट विल बी पॉइंट साइज, हाईली डिमिनिश्ड, एंड इट विल बी रियल. मेक श्योर दैट यू डोंट मेक एनी मिस्टेक. दिस इज रियल इमेज. व्हाई रियल इमेज? Because the rays are going really now, you see they are meeting at f2 really. But in case of convex lens, remember, in case of convex lens क्या हुआ था, sorry, in case of convex mirror क्या हुआ था, हाँ, ऐसे गया था. They were not really meeting at this point, so that was virtual. तो mirror के केस में क्या होता है, in case of mirror, if the image is formed behind the mirror, this is virtual. But in this case it is not, it is totally opposite. If your image, listen very carefully, if your image is forming behind the lens, then it is real. Why? Because it is refraction. Refraction होगा तो real rays कैसे जाएगा, directly it will pass, it will not come back. Clear? So these are the real rays. That's why they are meeting behind the lens. If they are meeting behind the lens, this is what, real image. You remember one thing, whenever any image is formed behind the lens, this is real, and if the image is formed in front of the lens, this is always virtual. This is opposite to mirror. Clear? So what you got understood? You understood this? Now you see, that's why you see here in this convex lens has positive focal length. कॉन्वेक्स लेंस का फोकस कौन सा है, f2 है. रिमेंबर दिस. f2 क्या होता है, कॉन्वेक्स लेंस का फोकस होता है, f1 नहीं होता है. व्हाई? बिकॉज द रेज आर कमिंग पैरेलली, दे आर कन्वर्जिंग वेयर, एट फोकस. व्हिच फोकस, फोकस 2. क्लियर? इसीलिए वी लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. If any numericals, we'll do numerical afterwards. In any numerical, it is given that a convex lens or a converging lens. This lens is called converging lens also. Why? Because rays are converging. You see, they are meeting at one point. They are converging. As they are converging, that's why this lens is called converging lens. So converging or convex lens has always positive focal length. Why? Because its focus is f2, not f1. Clear? Next, for concave, it's opposite. For concave, let me draw. For concave, you see, if I draw a concave lens, this will be like this. Concave lens, let me draw this. This is a concave lens. If I draw the optical axis, this will be like this. This will be the optical axis. This is optical center. This is optical center. Okay. This is f1. This is 2f1. This is f2. This is 2f2. Clear? Now any ray which is coming from infinite distance, that will come what? Parallel to the principal axis. Parallel to the principal axis. Now You listen very carefully. It's bending inward. As it is bending inward, इसका जो रे होगा, रिफ्रैक्ट होगा, वो क्या होगा? वो ऐसे नहीं होगा. It will diverge. वो डाइवर्स करेगा. और कैसे डाइवर्स करेगा? ये क्या है? पैरेलल टू द ऑप्टिकल एक्सिस है ना, तो it will diverge such that it is diverging from which point? From the focus. Is it clear? फोकस से जैसे डाइवर्स हो रहा है वैसा महसूस होगा हमें. क्लियर? This will diverge from where? From focus. Why? Because these are parallel rays. Okay, these are parallel rays. Parallel to what? Optical axis. अगर parallel होता है optical axis का और principal axis का, तो क्या होता है? That should pass through focus. But you see, because of this shape, it will not come like this. It will diverge. It will diverge again here also. It will diverge like this. अगर ये डाइवर्स करेगा, वो कहां से करेगा? F1 से करेगा. रियली करेगा क्या? नहीं करेगा. दिस इज नॉट रियली डाइवर्जिंग फ्रॉम F1. दैट्स व्हाई F1 विल बी व्हाट? द इमेज. व्हिच इमेज? वर्चुअल इमेज. इन फ्रंट होगा तो वर्चुअल होगा. ऑलरेडी आई हैव टोल्ड. सो अनदर रे इफ आई ड्रॉ, so you have to draw until middle point. Okay, I have given one dotted line until middle point, and then you have to make it diverse. Another ray, if I draw like this until middle point, and then you have to diverge like this. All the rays are diverging, you see, in this side, in this right side. Will they meet? This ray, this ray, this ray, this ray. They will never meet towards right. So we can say that they may have made somewhere in front of the lens. That's why in front of the lens. Where? At F1. That's why you listen one thing. That's why concave lens has negative focal length. Why? Its focus is towards left. अगर towards left होगा, साइन कन्वेंशन अगर हम यूज करेंगे, तो इसका फोकल लेंथ क्या होगा? नेगेटिव होगा. क्लियर? यू रिमेंबर वन थिंग, कॉन्केव लेंस का फोकस कौन सा है? F1 है. कॉन्वेक्स लेंस का फोकस F2 है. क्लियर? डन? सो एनी ऑब्जेक्ट व्हिच इज प्लेस्ड एट इनफाइनाइट डिस्टेंस, उसका इमेज क्या होगा? कहां पे फॉर्म करेगा? कॉन्केव लेंस कहां पे? F1 पे. क्लियर? Any object that is placed at infinite distance, okay, that lens, concave lens, forms the image of that object at F1. That object is point size, highly diminished, and it is very important. It is virtual. Clear? It is virtual, and virtual images are always erect image. Remember, no matter it is concave, no matter it is lens or mirror. मिरर भी होगा या फिर लेंस भी होगा. अगर वर्चुअल होगा तो इरेक्ट होगा. क्लियर? इफ इट इज रियल, इट विल बी इन्वर्टेड. मे बी इट इज लेंस, इट इज I mean it is mirror. Okay, it is same for lens and mirror. Okay, done. So these are some rules are there. Now one more rule, let me draw again. Okay, this is what? Optical center. Now listen one thing. If any ray which is passing through the optical center, will not deviate, that ray will not deviate. Clear? That ray will directly pass through the optical center. It will not deviate. This is rule 1. Second rule, what? If it is parallel to the optical axis, it will pass through focus. F2. अगर ये क्या होगा? कॉन्वेक्स. कॉन्केव होगा तो मैंने दिखा दिया. ओके, इफ इट इज, लिसन, इफ इट इज पासिंग थ्रू फोकस, सपोज लाइक दिस. ओके, सपोज दिस इज F1 is there. One ray is passing like this. Suppose this is F1, one ray is passing like this. ऐसे अगर रे पास कर रहा है, F1 से पास कर रहा है, दिस इज ऑल्सो वन फोकस ना. दिस इज ऑल्सो वन फोकस ऑफ व्हाट? कॉन्वेक्स लेंस. अगर F1 के थ्रू इसे क्या कर रहा है? इंसिडेंट हो रहा है, तो आफ्टर रिफ्रैक्शन क्या होगा? ऑप्टिकल एक्सिस के पैरेलल हो जाएगा. क्लियर? इट विल पास लाइक दिस. इट विल बी पैरेलल. ओके, सॉरी, इट विल बी पैरेलल. ओके, ऐसे पैरेलल हो जाएगा. क्लियर? डन. सो इफ एनी रे व्हिच इज पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन, इट विल pass without what? Without deviating. These are some rules are there. Okay, so we will use all these rules to find what? Image formation. So let me explain image formation in spherical lens. Image formation in spherical लेंस, हमें लेंस स्फेरिकल लेंस पे इमेज फॉर्मेशन करना है। पहले हम करेंगे इन कॉन्वेक्स लेंस। क्लियर? अभी हम कॉन्वेक्स लेंस पे क्या करेंगे, इमेज फॉर्मेशन हम देखेंगे। ओके, नाउ यू सी इन कॉन्वेक्स लेंस वी आर हैविंग there are different different positions. Okay, first of all number A, when the object is placed at infinity, already explained. अगर infinite distance पे, I'll go fast, a little bit fast. infinite distance पे होगा तो ऐसे आएगा रे, ऐसे आएगा रे, F2 पे क्या करेगा, कन्वर्स करेगा। क्लियर? anyone another ray, if I draw another ray, if I draw, if you have to give direction. Another ray if I draw, it will converge to F2. That's why we can say that if any object that is placed at infinite distance, this convex lens will form the image of that object where at F2. Clear? F2 पे क्या करेगा, फॉर्म करेगा, and that image will be real image. रियल अगर होगा तो क्या होगा, इन्वर्टेड होगा। क्लियर? If the image is real, it is always inverted, no matter it is lens or it is mirror. Okay, so you see this is a point size, highly diminished, real image and inverted image. Clear? And where it will form at F2. Clear? Now number B, where I can place, you see number B, let me draw first, then I can give you the position. Let me draw the situation. If I draw the situation, what we will get, this is, suppose this is what, this is the convex lens. I have to draw a little bit handsome one. Okay, this should be parallel. Okay, this should be parallel. It is not parallel or what? It is parallel, I think. Okay, now you see this is what, this is the middle point. I have to draw like this. This is optical center. Let me draw here. Optical center is this. This is optical center. Clear? Now here is one F1. Here is F2. Now one more thing, 2F1. One more thing you need to understand. You have to keep this distance O to F1, OF1 and OF2 same. 2F2. Please, whenever you are going to draw, you make sure that your this distance and this distance is same, as this distance and this distance is also same. This should also be equal to this. Clear? So you have to maintain this thing whenever you are going to draw, otherwise this image will go somewhere else. Now you see where I can place the object. Where I can place at infinite तो हमने place कर दिया। अभी हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हम यहां पे कर सकते हैं beyond 2F1. Beyond 2F1 means what? Beyond C. Clear? C के बाहर, C, remember in case of mirror, C के बाहर हम place कर रहे हैं। C के बाहर means beyond what? 2F1. Object, listen very carefully. Objects are always placed towards right. Okay, in front of the lens, mirror, whatever it is. Mirror भी होगा, lens भी होगा, हमें कहाँ पे put करना है object? In front करना है। Clear? In front. Clear? In front अगर करेंगे तो 2F1 के बाहर करेंगे ना, F1 होगा, ये F2 नहीं हो सकता है। F2 तो in this side है ना, so that's why we can say that one object we have placed where at beyond where, beyond 2F1. अगर हम ऑब्जेक्ट 2F1 के बाहर प्लेस करेंगे तो इमेज का फॉर्मेशन कैसा होगा, कहाँ होगा, रियल होगा, वर्चुअल होगा, लेट मी टेल यू। AB is this AB is the name of the object. Now what I will do, I will draw a ray from the point O. We need to calculate, we need to find the image of what? Image of the point A first. Similar to what? In case of mirror. So what you have to do, the rules are there na, you can draw what? This is optical axis, through optical axis I am drawing one parallel line. As this is parallel line, it will pass through F2 na. This is the rule, it will pass through F2. Clear? One rule is done. I think I told in case of mirror that to find out one image, to locate one image of a point, we need at least two rays. So एक ray तो हम draw कर दिया. Another ray we can draw. How can we draw another ray? Through O na? Can we draw through O? Yes, we can. We can draw through O. Let me draw another ray through O. और एक रूल मैंने बोला ना थोड़ी देर पहले कि O के बीच में से अगर हम रिफ्रैक्ट करेंगे तो इट विल go like this. Clear? It will not deviate. It will go straight. Is it clear? This is the rule. If any ray which is passing through O optical center, it will not deviate. It will go straight. जैसे कि क्या था, अगर ये C था, C के बीच में से अगर कोई रे अगर क्या होता है, इंसिडेंट होता है कि it came back, no? It came back like this. So similarly, it is if it is passing through the optical center, it will not deviate. It will go like this. Where they are meeting, this is refracted ray 1, this is refracted ray 2. These two refracted rays are meeting where? At this point. Clear? At this point. That's why this point will be the image of what? A dash. Sorry, A. It will be what? A dash. Clear? Now we need the image of B. B point से हम कैसे draw कर सकते हैं? ऐसे draw कर सकते हैं ना? One ray we can draw like this. You see? Through point B. B पॉइंट से क्या होगा, एक रे हम कैसे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं? ऐसे डायरेक्टली थ्रू द ऑप्टिकल सेंटर. ये रे भी दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज ऑप्टिकल एक्सिस ना. ऑप्टिकल एक्सिस ऑप्टिकल सेंटर के बीच में से जा नहीं रहा है क्या? जा रहा है ना. ऑप्टिकल एक्सिस आल्सो पास थ्रू व्हाट, ऑप्टिकल सेंटर. तो ये डेविएट होगा क्या? नहीं होगा. क्लियर? बिकॉज एनी रे व्हिच इज पासिंग थ्रू द ऑप्टिकल सेंटर O will never deviate. So this ray means what? This ray means what? This ray means the optical axis. Optical axis भी तो ऑप्टिकल सेंटर के बीच में जा रहा है ना. So it will not deviate. It will go straight. तो हमें क्या होगा, हमें क्या मालूम करना है? B पॉइंट का इमेज. B पॉइंट का इमेज कहाँ होगा? सामने हियर. हम क्या नहीं कर सकते? B पॉइंट से हम दो रे ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते. Only one ray we can draw, that is through the optical axis. Clear? So हम क्या कर सकते हैं? This is what the image is. A dash B dash. अभी इमेज क्या निकला हमें? इमेज इन्वर्टेड हुआ ना. इमेज इन्वर्टेड हुआ. कहां हुआ? F2 और 2F2 के बीच पे. रिमेंबर इन केस ऑफ मिरर, इन केस ऑफ कॉन्केव मिरर क्या था, अगर हम ऑब्जेक्ट बियॉन्ड C रखते थे, कहां पे इमेज फॉर्म होता था? इन बिटवीन फोकस एंड व्हाट? C. ये फोकस नहीं है क्या? ये C नहीं है क्या? क्लियर? सो इन केस ऑफ, लिसन वेरी केयरफुली, कॉन्केव मिरर पे जो हुआ था ये कॉन्वेक्स लेंस पे होगा. यहाँ पे C के बाहर तुम रखते हो ऑब्जेक्ट, कहा में क्या हुआ, इमेज कहा फॉर्म हुआ? C और F के बीच. लेकिन हम C F नहीं कह सकते क्योंकि यहाँ पे फोकस दो है और सेंटर भी दो है. तो हम क्या कहेंगे कि अगर ऑब्जेक्ट हम C के बाहर नहीं बोलेंगे, हम क्या बोलेंगे? 2F1 के बाहर. इफ वी प्लेस an object outside 2F1 or beyond 2F1, the image will form in between focus and center of curvature. नहीं बोलेंगे in between focus. क्या focus है? F2. Why? Because this convex lens has always positive focal length and focus is F2. F2 और 2F2 के बीच में क्या होगा? इमेज होगा. और इमेज अगर F2 और 2F2 के बीच में होगा तो इसका साइज देखो क्या होगा? छोटा होगा, डिमिनिश्ड होगा. If it is diminished, then we can say that it is if it is in between C and F, it is diminished. And what we can say, it is inverted अगर होगा तो क्या होगा? रियल होगा. So what we can say, if, listen very carefully, if an object is placed beyond 2F1, the image will be forming where? In between F2 and 2F2, and the image is real, inverted, diminished. Clear? Done? Next what we will do, we will place the object where? We will place the object at 2F1. At 2F1. At 2F1 means ki at C. So if we draw this is the convex lens. If we draw this, so this is convex lens, so it will be your middle point. This is optical center. This is F1. This is 2F1. So you make sure you are giving equal distance. So I am not using scale, so it may not be perfect. Okay. So this is F2. This is 2F2. Clear? Now if we place any object at C, remember in case of concave mirror क्या था? अगर C पे हम ऑब्जेक्ट रखते हैं तो C पे ही क्या होता है? इमेज फॉर्म होता है. लेकिन यहाँ पे हम ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ रख रहे हैं? Where we are putting the object? 2F1. अगर 2F1 पे ऑब्जेक्ट पुट करेंगे, then we will have to see where the image will form. This will be parallel. This will pass through what? F2. This will pass through F2. Okay. Another ray we can draw through O. It will be like this. Okay. It will be straight. हाँ, दो रे ड्रॉ करना है. ये A B है. दो रे ड्रॉ करना है. ये दो रे कहाँ मीट कर रहा है? यहाँ मीट कर रहा है. This at this point. Okay, 2F2. At this point, this is A dash. B का अगर निकलना है तो हमें क्या ड्रॉ करना है? रे ड्रॉ करना है थ्रू ऑप्टिकल एक्सिस. तो हमें कहाँ मिल रहा है? इमेज इज वी आर गेटिंग वेयर? दिस इज B dash at 2F2. 2F2 C नहीं है क्या? सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर नहीं है क्या? है. तो यू रिमेंबर इन केस ऑफ कॉनकेव मिरर, अगर ऑब्जेक्ट, इफ आई प्लेस द ऑब्जेक्ट एट सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, इमेज भी कहाँ आया था? सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर पे आया था. If we place the object at 2F1, इमेज कहाँ आएगा? 2F2. सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर पे ऑब्जेक्ट रखा, सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर में इमेज मिला. क्लियर? नाउ द साइज इज इक्वल. इन दिस केस ऑब्जेक्ट साइज और इमेज साइज क्या होगा? इक्वल होगा. रियल होगा, इन्वर्टेड होगा. क्लियर? डन? आई एम गोइंग अ लिटिल बिट फास्ट. नाउ what we will do? We will place the object where? In between F1 and 2F1. In between F1 and 2F1. अगर F1 और 2F1 के बीच में अगर रखेंगे तो क्या होगा? देखते हैं. What happened? Let me draw a handsome one. So this is a handsome one, I think. Fine? Okay, fine. So let me draw this. This is a middle part, optical center. This is F1, this is 2F1, this is F2, this is 2F2. Sorry, this is 2F2. Okay, now we will place where? The object here, AB. And I think I told, when you are approaching towards the lens, towards the mirror, you have to make a little bit smaller object. Okay, because you will get a bigger image. Okay, now you see what we will do. We will have to draw rays like this. So ये रे क्या हो गया? कहाँ से पार हो गया? F2 से. Clear? Another ray you have to draw through optical center O. So if I draw another ray optical through optical center, it will be meeting somewhere here. Okay. तो ये पॉइंट क्या हो जाएगा? A dash हो जाएगा. क्लियर? ये पॉइंट A dash हो जाएगा. और B के इमेज अगर निकलना है तो हमें क्या करना है? ऑप्टिकल एक्सिस से हमें रेज ड्रॉ करना है. तो B पॉइंट का इमेज कहाँ आएगा? यहाँ B dash. So if I draw, you will get the image like this. You see? Remember, if we place the object in between C and F, in case of concave mirror, C, F and C, तो इमेज कहाँ आया था? सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर के बाहर आया था. बियॉन्ड C आया था. इज नॉट इट बियॉन्ड C? ये 2F1 2F2 है. दिस पॉइंट इज 2F2. तो इसके बाहर गया ना? अगर बाहर जाएगा तो थोड़ा बड़ा नहीं होगा? यस. दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन से दैट द इमेज इज व्हाट? रियल. डेफिनेटली रियल. व्हाई? बिकॉज दे आर रियली मीटिंग. और वी कैन से दैट इट इज फॉर्मिंग बिहाइंड द लेंस. दे आर रियल, इन्वर्टेड. This is not diminished. This is what? This is enlarged. Okay, enlarged or magnified. We say that this is magnified or enlarged image. Okay, real, inverted, magnified or enlarged, or and what? And it is forming beyond 2F2. Clear? Done? So you have to go for F1. Now at F1, if I place at F1, can you see what I can draw here? If I draw at F1, let me draw a little bit fast. This is O, F1, 2F1, F2, 2F2. Now, if I place any object here at F1, अगर F1 में draw करेंगे, sorry, it will go like this. It will pass through F2. Another ray, it will go like this, it will pass through F2. You see? It will pass through F2. So will they meet? They are parallel. They will never meet. Clear? They will never meet. So what we can say that they may have met somewhere at infinite distance. So we can say that if I place the object AB, if I place the object AB at what? At F1, the image will form at infinite distance. It may meet somewhere at infinite distance and it will be highly enlarged. It will be highly magnified और highly enlarged और inverted ही होगा, क्योंकि अगर ये दो रे कहीं पे मीट करेगा तो ये क्या होगा, ए पॉइंट का क्या होगा, इमेज होगा, तो ए डैश नीचे आ जाएगा ना, ए डैश. सो इफ ए डैश विल कम डाउनवर्ड, बी का क्या होगा, बी का तो ऑप्टिकल एक्सिस पे ही होगा, तो इट विल बी इन्वर्टेड. अगर इन्वर्टेड होगा तो रियल होगा ना. तो you see, if I place any object at f1, the image will form at infinite distance. Image is real, inverted, highly magnified or highly enlarged. Clear? Done. Now exceptional case. In case of concave mirror also, we got when the object is placed in between pole and focus, we got virtual image. Here also last one, 5 I think. Object is in between F1 and optical center, F1 and O. अभी हमें ड्रॉ करना है F1 and O. Okay, if I draw the lens like this is the lens, this is the optical axis, this is F2, this is 2F2, this is optical center O, this is F1, this is 2F1. Done. Now where I will have to put the object? There. I have put the object here. Clear? I have put the object in between O and F1. ये O है optical axis, optical center. F1 क्या है? This side का focus. Okay. Now this is AB. Okay. This is AB. अभी हमें क्या निकालना है? हमें A point का image निकालना है. अगर ए पॉइंट का इमेज निकालना है तो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल ड्रॉ वन पैरेलल लाइन. इफ इट इज पैरेलल इट विल पास थ्रू व्हाट, सो इट विल पास थ्रू लाइक दिस, पास थ्रू F2. क्लियर? और एक रे हमें ड्रॉ करना है. लेट मी ड्रॉ हियर. दिस इज ए. ओके, दिस इज बी, दिस इज बी. ओके, और एक सॉरी this is AB. Okay, now another ray I can draw where, through O. Can I? This is suppose through O. अगर through O ड्रॉ करेंगे वो क्या होगा, वो क्या मीट करेगा, will they meet in this side? You see they are diverging, diverge हो रहा है, दूर जा रहा है, they will never meet. So we can say that they may have met somewhere in front of the lens. तो हमें अगर वो पॉइंट निकालना है तो हम क्या करेंगे, दोनों रे को थोड़ा आगे ले जाएंगे विद डॉटेड लाइन. क्लियर? इफ आई ड्रॉ डॉटेड लाइन लाइक दिस, so we can have one point where they will meet. Is not it? One point where they will, this point will be what? इस पॉइंट से जा रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है ना, इस पॉइंट से ये दो रे 1 and ray 2, refracted ray 1 and refracted ray 2. Listen very carefully. These two ray will never meet towards right. They are diverging. You see, they are diverging. दूर जा रहा है. They will never meet. Clear? तो अगर दूर जा रहा है तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? In front of the lens, they may have met somewhere. वो पॉइंट हमें निकालना है तो हमें क्या करना है? हाँ, रे ड्रॉ करना है, डॉटेड रे बैक साइड. अगर बैक साइड ड्रॉ करेंगे तो वो पॉइंट हमें मिल जाएगा. तो हम क्या कह सकते हैं कि ये पॉइंट जो है ना, ये पॉइंट क्या है, वर्चुअल इमेज है. किसका? ए पॉइंट का, पॉइंट ए. तो ये ए डैश हो जाएगा. बी का अगर निकालो तो सेम वे, तो दिस पॉइंट विल बी बी डैश. सो ये क्या हो जाएगा हमारा, वर्चुअल इमेज हो जाएगा. तो इन केस ऑफ कॉन्वेक्स लेंस व्हाट वी गॉट, इन केस ऑफ कॉन्वेक्स लेंस, if you see, if the object is placed in between O and F1, we will get one exceptional case. Okay, we will get a what, virtual image. And virtual images are always erect and it is magnified. Okay, magnified why? Because ये object size है, ये image size है, थोड़ा ज्यादा बड़ा है, तो ये क्या हम कह सकते हैं, ये magnified होगा या फिर enlarged होगा. Okay, virtual. Okay, and if the position is asked, if the position of the image is asked, you cannot say the image will form in between F1 and 2F1. No, you cannot say. It may vary. अगर तुम छोटा थोड़ा और बड़ा कर दो ना ये ऑब्जेक्ट, तो ये बहुत दूर आ जाएगा. तो ये क्या कहाँ आ जाएगा, 2F1 के बाहर आ जाएगा. तो you have to make sure that you have to understand that the image position, if it is asked, you have to say that the image is formed in front of the lens. Okay, you please don't mention these 2 points. Okay, and this position varies with what? With the size of the object. Object का size जितना छोटा होगा उतना पास होगा, जितना बड़ा होगा उतना दूर जाएगा. Clear? Done? So this is all about image formation in convex lens. Now in concave. Okay, in concave lens. So in concave lens we are having only two diagrams. In number 2, in concave lens. In concave lens we are having only 2. Number 1, if the object is where? At infinite. Infinite हम बोल दिया है पहले. अगर infinite distance पे होगा क्या होगा? ये ऑप्टिकल एक्सिस है, ये ऑप्टिकल सेंटर है. दिस इज f2, 2f2, दिस इज f1, दिस इज 2f1. अगर रे infinite distance से आएगा, ऐसे आएगा, and they will diverge. कैसे डाइवर्स करेगा? जैसे f1 से डाइवर्स कर रहा है. ओके, सो f1 क्या हो जाएगा मेरा? इमेज हो जाएगा. किसका? ये ऑब्जेक्ट का. जो ऑब्जेक्ट हम कहाँ रखा है? इनफाइनाइट डिस्टेंस पे रखा है. Okay, so if you place any object at infinite distance, then we can say that, then we can say what? Sorry. Okay, then we can say that, you see, the image will form where? At f1. Image is virtual. Why virtual? In front of the lens. It is virtual. अगर virtual होगा तो erect भी बोलेंगे हम. Erect, virtual, and it is highly diminished point size. Clear? Last one. It is becoming too lengthy, so I am going a little bit fast. Last one. In case of number B, if the object is at finite distance, थोड़ा सा सिमिलर है कॉन्वेक्स मिरर जैसा. मिरर में भी क्या है? only 2. We are getting only 2 what? 2 positions. And one more thing you remember, in case of concave lens we never get real image. In case of concave lens we get only virtual image like convex mirror. Okay, so let me draw here. This is concave lens. This is the optical axis. This is the middle point. This is optical center. f1. This is f2 f1. This is f2 2f2. If you place anywhere, if you place the object anywhere, like here AB, we have placed where? We have placed in between f1 and 2f1. You can place outside 2f1 also. You can place here also. Okay, if you place anywhere, you will get what? Virtual image. That's why we are not putting at different points. We are putting at infinite distance or at finite distance. Why? Because in each and every case we will get only virtual image. So no need to put at each and every point. Only we have to take only 2 positions. One is at infinite distance, one is at finite distance. Clear? Now you see we have to draw diagram. Okay, how? This is what? Until the middle point you have to draw. Then how it will refract? It will refract like this, such that it will pass through the, it has passed through the focus. Okay, it will refract like this. It will diverge. This is the diverging lens. It will diverge. It will go away from the optical axis. Now you see another ray. What we can draw? Another ray we can draw like this. Through O. Sorry. If I draw through O, ये क्या होगा? Deviate नहीं होगा ना? ये deviate नहीं होगा. It will go like this without deviating. Now you see, this is refracted ray 2. This is refracted ray 1. Will they meet in this side? Never. They will never meet. They will diverge. That's why they will never meet. So we can say where they have met. They have met here. You see, they have met here. These two rays, this ray and this ray has met here at this point. So ये point कहाँ है? In front of the lens है ना? तो ये point क्या होगा? A dash हो जाएगा. Clear? और B से कहाँ जाएगा? ऐसे जाएगा. और ये हो जाएगा B dash. So how you will get the image? You will get the erect image. This is B dash, this is A dash. You will get image that is erect, and this is what? Virtual. You remember one thing, if you listen, if you very carefully you listen, if you place object at finite distance, there also you will get what? Virtual image. And you remember, in this case, image is always formed in between O and F1. Okay? ये image O और F1, O and F1 के बीच में होगा. Clear? If the object is placed in between at finite distance, the image will form in between O and F1. And you remember, this is a virtual image. Okay, so that's why we need only two positions at infinite distance, at finite distance. No need to explain at 2f1 to at 2f1 like that, in between f1 and f2, outside 2f1. If you place anywhere, you will get the same image. Where? Between O and f1. Clear? So this is all about what? Image formation in case of spherical lens. So this video is becoming too lengthy, so I'm going to finish here. So please do like my video, share my video, and also subscribe my channel. Okay, so I hope you understood this. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Okay, thank you for watching.